what's up guys? It's me Bisoy. So, it's been a while na hindi tayo nakapag-vlog. So, for today's video, pupunta kami sa Lakeland Flowers sa Abbotsford. So, see you later.
A few moments later.
Where are we? Let's go. Let's see some tulips.
We are here today in Lake Max.
In Abbotsford.
Abbotsford.
So look at the tulips. Oh,
Here's our tulip garden.
so sobrang ganda guys. Oh, look at that. Lawak ng tulip po. Ganda oh. Say hi baby. Come here faster. Go this way.
Hi! Hi guys!
Kaganda naman ng mga bulaklak na yan. Diba? Gab.
Gabriel. My red one.
Whoa, what's that?
Nice. Dalawa tayo.
We're making videos. Okay? Say hi.
Hi!
Where are we?
Flower.
Oh, your flowers? Wow.
That's my flower too.
Okay.
Flower too.
Yeah, it's growing already. Look at that. Beautiful. Can you do a tour in your farm, Gabriel? Come on. Let's go. So,
Take my photo that way.
okay. See you, mommy. Oh, wow. Tis ganda. Nakashirt lang. Yeah. Farm ko. Ang ganda guys. So ito tinanim namin 2 months ago. So ito na yung itong area na to. Ito na kayo guys. There it goes. Sige na. Come on. Going home now. See you next time.
Biyahe natin. Ganda dito.
So it's cloudy. That part is cloudy. And that part is oh. So yun may mga yun.
Tulips, peonies, lavender.
So every month.
January to August, sunflower June to September, and April to September. So May and June, peonies. April and May. Okay.
See you next video. Please share and subscribe.
Bye.